Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Recently, Councillor Richard Vernon, the mayor of Montego Bay, formalized the launch of a step-up program by signing a memorandum of understanding. This initiative aims to combat social challenges in the city such as solid waste management or solid waste mismanagement, unlicensed businesses, and deteriorating infrastructure. He noted that the program, which has support from entities such as the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Transport Authority, and the St. James Public Health Department, just to name a few, will employ strategic vision, community involvement, and focused actions to create enduring effects such as rejuvenating public areas and implementing regulations. They plan on eventually implementing the Step Up program in schools throughout St. James. I hope this is a program that is not only successfully implemented but also maintained over time. By the way, is the project Restoring Paradise public order reset still going on? I need to check that out. Number 2. Dr. Christopher Tufton, Jamaica's Health and Wellness Minister, announced the start of preparatory work for a new Kingston Public Hospital. How do St. James residents feel about this after not having a hospital for how many years now? Or patients having to sit in tents and on seats for days because there's no bed? So, the proposal for the development of this new facility has already been approved. This process involves steps like land acquisition and case study development beginning this year, he explains. Meanwhile, rehabilitation of the existing KPH structure has begun and will increase throughout 2024. Read the article referenced. A link is in the description box. It did a breakdown of the work to be done and cost of different elements of the project. I will not be getting into those details in this video. The following is just a summary. Read the article linked in the description box for greater detail. Now, according to this article, Dr. Christopher Tufton announced that the final stages of the Cornwall Regional Hospital's rehabilitation have been finalized. The holdup was attributed to deciding on both interior and exterior aesthetics. Contractors are moving forward, and a team including CRH's Senior Medical Officer Dr. Derek Harvey is assessing medical equipment in China for the hospital. Phased handovers will start by year-end with completion expected in 30 months. Phase 3 includes the dietary department, server room, and medical records completion, followed by professional services and full medical layout across all floors, with an emphasis on low maintenance materials for better infection and noise control. A landscape architect will design the hospital's wellness-themed compound. Updates on the Western Children and Adolescents Hospital indicate it will be operational by May 2025. CRH and WCAH will share resources and provide over 700 beds. The project is expected to employ over 4,000 people and reduce emergency airlift transfers by enabling CRH to handle such cases locally. Does this make you feel more confident that the hospital will be completed soon, despite the fact that over the years the project has been experiencing many delays? Let me know what you think in the comments. Number 3. United Oil and Gas plc is excited to connect with shareholders through their upcoming investor newsletter and a special investor evening at the Jamaican High Commission in London. This event will feature an interactive Q&A session with Herona Thompson, the Jamaica country manager. The evening promises an engaging presentation from the CEO, followed by a Q&A and a networking reception. Shareholders keen on the company's 2024 plans and its exploration and development projects in Jamaica and the UK are highly encouraged to join. And if you want to see them working on the bridge, check out this new